So for today's video, we will show you the different experiment of gas law. First is Boyle's law. But before we proceed to that experiment, may I ask you a question? What is Boyle's law?
Boyle's law states that at a fixed temperature, the volume of gas is inversely proportional to the pressure exerted by the gas.
Other words, when a gas pump into enclosed space, I will sink to fit into that space. But the pressure that gas puts on the container will increase.
Now you know what is the Boyle's law. Come and let's start the Boyle's law experiment. Are you ready?
We are ready!
So let's begin!
For this experiment, we need these materials. First, we have empty bottle, balloons, and thumbtacks. All we gonna do is put the balloon inside the bottle. Now, the balloon is inside the bottle. We need to hold this bottle using thumbtacks. Can you help me, Hun?
Yeah, sure.
Just shows Boyle's law and how pressure is inversely proportional to volume, as when LPGO took out the air from the bottle, the volume of the balloon increased.
The experiment of the Boyle's law. Now we come to another gas law. This is Charles' law.
Charles' law implies that the volume of a gas directly proportional to its absolute temperature. Now you know is Charles' law. We can do the Charles' law experiment.
For these experiments, we need these materials. We have an alcohol, glass bottle, bowl of water, matches, and a piece of paper.
The water condenses to moisture on the bottle, causing lower air pressure to reach equilibrium. The area must decrease so the water rises in the bottom.
Now we proceed to the last gas law, the Gay-Lussac law. So Rainier, can you tell me what's the Gay-Lussac law?
Gay-Lussac law is a gas law which states that the temperature exerted by a gas of a given mass and keep a constant volume varies directly with absolute temperature of the gas.
Thank you, Rainier. So now we proceed to the Gay-Lussac experiment. Are you ready?
We are ready!
So let's begin!
For this experiment, we need this material. We have a candle, glass jar, water, food coloring, matches, and plate.
After how many minutes, while having our jar over the candle, you will notice the candle flame will get smaller and smaller until they extinguish. Also, you will see the water level underneath the jar begins to rise up after the light from the candles have been fully extinguished. Also, you will see the water level underneath the jar begins to rise up after the light from the candles have been fully extinguished. The water outside the jar is slower than the water inside the jar.
So that's our science experiment of different gas law.
We hope you understand.
Thank you.